Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Object recognition with deformable models. Object recognition is a crucial task in computer vision that involves identifying and classifying objects within images. Deformable models are a powerful approach for this task, as they can adapt to variations in shape and appearance of objects. What are deformable models? Deformable models are flexible geometric shapes that can change their form to fit the contours of objects in images. They are particularly useful for recognizing objects that may not have a fixed shape due to variations in pose, scale, or occlusion. One of the most common deformable models is the active contour model, also known as snakes, which allows the contour of an object to evolve to fit the object's edges in an image. Key concepts. 1. Energy minimization. Deformable models operate by minimizing an energy function that typically consists of internal and external energy components. Internal energy encourages smoothness and continuity of the shape. External energy attracts the contour towards the edges of the object. 2. Gradient descent. The model iteratively updates its parameters to minimize the energy function. Setting up the environment. Before we dive into the code, you need to ensure you have the necessary libraries. We'll use OpenCV for image processing and NumPy for numerical operations. You can install these packages using pip. Example, active contours, snakes. Let's implement a simple example of active contours using Python and OpenCV. Step 1. Import libraries. Step 2. Load and pre-process the image. Step 3. Initialize the contour. You need to initialize the contour as a closed curve around the object of interest. Step 4. Apply active contours. Now we apply the active contour model to fit the contour to the image. Explanation of parameters. Alpha controls the elasticity of the contour, how much it resists stretching. Beta controls the rigidity of the contour, how smooth the contour is. Gamma, step size for the iteration, affecting the speed of convergence. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of object recognition using deformable models, specifically the active contour model. We implemented a simple example using Python and OpenCV, where we initialized a contour around an object and allowed it to evolve to fit the object's edges. Further reading. To deepen your understanding of deformable models in object recognition, you can explore 1. Level set methods, a more advanced approach to deformable models. 2. Shape matching, techniques to match shapes in different poses. 3. Machine learning, combining deformable models with machine learning for better accuracy. Feel free to modify the parameters and test different images to see how the contour adapts.